Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about innovation and future tech, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into the world of flying cars and focus on the care and maintenance of one of the most groundbreaking vehicles in this realm, the AeroMobil 3.0. Let's get started. This beauty isn't just a car, it's a flying car. The AeroMobil 3.0 is a hybrid marvel, designed to switch seamlessly between the road and the skies. Its lightweight carbon composite body, retractable wings, and advanced avionics make it truly one of a kind. But with such innovation comes the need for specialized care to ensure it performs flawlessly both on the ground and in the air. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The AeroMobil's body is made of advanced carbon composite materials. To maintain its aerodynamic integrity, it's crucial to regularly clean the surface with a microfiber cloth and a pH-neutral cleaning solution. Avoid harsh chemicals, they can damage the coating. The wings are a vital part of this vehicle. Always inspect the folding mechanism for debris or wear. Lubricate the joints using aviation-grade lubricants to keep them operating smoothly. Let's move on to the engine and propulsion system. The AeroMobil 3.0 relies on a Rotax 912 engine, which requires routine maintenance similar to light aircraft. Replace the oil every 50 hours of flight time or 6 months, whichever comes first. And don't forget to check the fuel filters regularly, they can become clogged, affecting performance. The propeller also demands attention. Check for chips or cracks before every flight. A damaged propeller can cause imbalances and pose a serious safety risk. Now, onto the software and avionics system. The AeroMobil 3.0 features state-of-the-art navigation and flight control software. Keeping this system updated is essential for both safety and performance. Ensure you have the latest firmware installed, and perform diagnostic checks to identify any potential issues. Since the AeroMobil is also a car, don't neglect its road-going components. Check the tires for wear and tear, especially after landing. The suspension system should also be inspected regularly to ensure a smooth transition between driving and flying modes. When not in use, store your AeroMobil in a controlled environment, like a hangar or a secure garage. Extreme temperatures can affect the composite materials and battery performance. Speaking of batteries, charge them according to the manufacturer's recommendations and avoid overcharging. Finally, always schedule regular inspections with certified technicians who specialize in hybrid vehicles like the AeroMobil. They'll conduct thorough checks and ensure compliance with aviation and automotive regulations. Safety should always be your top priority. And that's it for today's video on AeroMobil 3.0 Care. This innovative vehicle is a masterpiece, but it requires dedicated maintenance to keep it flying high and running smoothly. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on groundbreaking vehicles like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.